Hey, you guys discussing the striped bass?
Yes, we are.
I'm overseeing all of our freshwater and anadromous species programs that we have. 6 scientists that work with me, and 3 technicians, and we have a couple of seasonals that are really the backbone of what we do. Hey everybody, I'm Edna Stetzar, and I'm out here at the Little Creek Fisheries Biological Station, and I'm a Fisheries Program Manager for the Division of Fish and Wildlife in DNREC. So before I became the program manager, I was the bass biologist. I was captain of this boat. I'm hoping they're taking good care of her now. We have boats here. We have a dry lab. So this is our aging research lab. We take their scales, their otoliths, which is their ear bones, and we're able to count the rings like a tree to age them. We have an American shad project that we are monitoring their populations. I call them nature's hot dogs sometimes because it seems like everything in nature eats shad. And we also have some endangered species work with Atlantic sturgeon, striped bass monitoring, largemouth bass, bluegill, pumpkin seeds. We are responsible for trout fishing. We're stocking a total of 260 pounds. You're out in the field, you're getting the surveys, you're getting that data, you're bringing it back, you're looking at it, it's answering a question for you. And then you can do a management action because of that data that you have. And being with the team that I work with is great. I always seem to connect with other nerds, you know, that want to talk about the same kind of stuff. My father would take us fishing, and he would always make us put the bass back. And I never thought about it when I was a kid until I got older. I realized that he was catch and release fishing back before I even knew what it was. So he was a conservationist, really. And I think that sparked my interest to love nature. And I love being on the water, so I think fisheries was a good fit for me.
That'll do it.
Is that good?
Yep.
I started with DNREC back in '92. I worked in the wildlife section. I took whatever job I could get in the beginning that would put me outside working with birds or fish or whatever it was because I wanted that hands-on experience. And then the fisheries job opened up and I thought, well, all right, I'll try something different. We don't just stock fish everywhere. I think that's one thing people think we do, but maybe they don't understand why we're doing it. Like, yeah, we count fish. We catch them, we count them, we measure them, we weigh them. They're like, wow, that's all you do? But that information we take tells us, like the length and the weight, tells us the condition of those fish. Are they healthy? Are they growing? So those things are important to a biologist. As a biologist, your next step is to become a program manager if you want to move up to the ladder. I wanted to get to a point where I had a seat at the table making the decisions and directing how things were going. All right, thanks. See you, Johnny. Hey, Allie. What are you working on? I hope that, you know, my trajectory to where I am now, it could inspire other young women. How many samples you got there?
For commercial, I think we had 30 something this year, like 35.
I don't get out in the field very often, so there are days where I really miss it, but I'm supporting the projects out there by making sure our grants are in place, making sure that my staff feels supported. People that really care about the resources take these kind of jobs. It's important to do the research that we do because it supports a lot the fisheries and the outdoor activities that the general public likes to do.